All right, so today we're gonna take a look at this plastic mending tool by Vevor. It's a bargain brand. It's a budget economy brand. So let's see what it comes with. Here's the heat gun itself. We'll figure out how to work that. I've actually never done it before, so we're gonna try a test case. And it looks like some, maybe some flashing tape to hold things together. Some sandpaper, smooth out whatever plastics you're working on. There's a cutter, pliers, and we have these little mending things. And if you look at the manual, you can see they're for different shaped things. For corners, outer corners, inner corners, just for mending something together, different patterns. So we're gonna try it. I've actually never mended anything before. Let's take a look at some of these. Okay. So I think this is the most common one when you got two pieces of, we got a crack in the plastic and you could put that in. And again, there's all these different pieces. I think this is for the inner corner. All right, so let's give it a shot. I'm going to use a couple of these guys right here. That piece. And I just got a sample piece of plastic that has a crack in it that I'm going to try to mend. And we'll see how well that works and how easy this is for a person with zero experience working one of these tools, if I can do it. So I assume you just press the button to heat it up. Let's get one of these things in. Make sure it's not hot. Okay, so there's some holes, and you just put it in the hole. Let's see. We'll do a mending piece right here. Oh, look at that. Look, it's melting into the plastic. Wow. It's really kind of cool. Put in a couple more pieces. The iron might be hot, so I don't want to use my fingers again. I had to wait for it to cool off. Well, it was just too hard to do it like that. So I used my fingers again. So let's try it again. See how fast it heats up. Wow. Look at that. That's really kind of cool. All right. So that'll, ow, ooh, shoot, that was dumb. It was hot. So what I want to do is I want to see how well it works at just melting. Melting the pieces right here. So I'm gonna not use the metal, but I'm just gonna use this as a tip to kind of melt this together. All right, that actually works really well. Let's go to the other side. So if you wanted to use it like that, that actually works too. Okay. Put that down. All right, you can see it actually works pretty well, and it seems pretty easy. Let me trim off the pieces. And it's not the best plier. And these things will fly around if you don't grab it. You know, you could pop yourself in the eye. So just kind of hold it with one plier and then clip it with the other. Oops, that one flew out. That could have popped me in the eye. But yeah, this is actually not bad at all. So if you need some extra support with that metal, you could use these metal braces. And if you just need to melt the plastic together, you can see it's no longer cracked. I mean, I'm trying to crack it again. It's actually holding up really well. All right, cool. So yeah, this is kind of a throwaway piece that I'm just messing around with, but it seems like this works. So for future use, I think I could definitely rely on this plastic mender to help save me from some problems. And of course, you know, you can see it's a little rough because of the melted plastic, but you can take that sandpaper and sand it down a little bit smoother if you like. Depends whatever you need. So you got some sandpaper for that too. All right, I think the different shapes is really going to help for your different applications. So it's going to be a handy tool for me to have around.